more than just a meme. Hello, friends. It's late 2025, and if you've been watching the crypto markets, you've definitely seen this purple unicorn taking over Twitter timelines and sucking up liquidity on Solana. We're talking about Pippin. Pippin. Many people think this is just another shitcoin with a cute picture being pumped by influencers, but that's a mistake that could cost you serious gains. Pippin is the flagship of a completely new narrative, the autonomous AI agent economy. Today we're breaking it down to the atomic level. Where did Pippin come from, and what does ChatGPT have to do with it? What is hidden inside the Pippin Framework code? Clash of Titans. Why is Pippin better than GOAT? The valuation math. Can this unicorn hit $1 billion? And most importantly, is it too late to buy? Sit back, this is the most comprehensive deep dive on Pippin you'll find. Let's go. The birth of a legend. Yohei, SVG, and ChatGPT. To understand Pippin's potential, we need to go back to its origins. Unlike 99% of tokens, Pippin wasn't created by a marketing team in Dubai. It was born from an experiment. Its father is Yohei Nakajima. He's not an anonymous dev, but a well-known venture capitalist and engineer, the creator of BabyAGI, a legendary framework for autonomous agents. The story sounds like a cyberpunk fairy tale. Yohei simply asked ChatGPT-4 to generate SVG code, vector graphics, for something that invokes magic and the future. The AI spat out code. Yohei ran it, and this minimalist unicorn appeared on the screen. He named it Pippin. The community picked it up, deployed the token on Solana, and what started as a joke about generative code capabilities turned into a symbol of the merger between artificial intelligence and blockchain. Key insight. Pippin is a token with a doxed and respected founder. This gives the project a fundamental credit of trust that random tokens like Pepe or Bonk simply don't have. The tech. Pippin Framework. Where is the alpha? Now to the meat of it. Why is Pippin worth hundreds of millions of dollars? Because there is actual technology behind it. Yohei created the Pippin Framework, a modular, open-source platform. But let's dig deeper than other reviewers. What can this code actually do? The Pippin architecture is built on the digital being principle. It's not just a chatbot, it's a Lego set for developers. Modularity. You can swap the agent's brains. Want it to think via GPT-4? Sure. Via Claude 3.5 Sonnet? Easy. Via open-source Llama? No problem. This makes Pippin resilient to changes in the AI market. It's not tied to one model. Tools. Pippin agents can connect to APIs. This means a developer can teach an agent to check the weather in 10 minutes or to check a Solana wallet balance and swap on Radium in an hour. Long-term memory. Ordinary bots forget context. The Pippin framework uses vector databases to remember everything, from your preferences to its trade history from last year. Imagine an agent that doesn't just chat. Imagine a sniper agent built on Pippin. It wakes up, scans 1,000 Telegram channels in different languages, finds mentions of new tokens, checks their smart contracts for safety, cross-references with on-chain volume, and decides on its own to buy using your wallet. All in 3 seconds. This infrastructure is what the battle is really about. Battle of narratives. Pippin versus GOAT. We can't talk about Pippin without mentioning its main rival, GOAT, Truth Terminal. These are the two pillars of the AI meme sector, but they are radically different. GOAT is chaos, philosophy, and a cult of personality. It grew out of jailbreaking language models and got a grant from Mark Andreessen. It's a bet that AI can be a mad prophet. It's the religion of AI. Pippin is order, creation, and tools. If GOAT is the Joker, Pippin is Batman with a utility belt. Investors love Pippin because it's easier to explain to businesses. It's easier to sell the idea of a helpful assistant than a philosophizing troll bot. Also, the community vibe is different. Go into the Pippin Discord. There's less screaming "when moon" and more discussion about Python scripts and GitHub pull requests. In the long run, projects where builders sit, not just gamblers, are the ones that survive. Market analysis and the short squeeze of December 2025. Let's look at the charts. The situation at the end of December 2025 is fascinating. Over the last year, the token is up over 2,000%. The market cap is hovering around $460 million. This is already a serious mid-cap asset. What happened in the last few weeks? We saw a classic whale war. When price hit local peaks, many traders started shorting, expecting a pullback. But the AI token market is irrationally strong. Large players started buying the dip, triggering a short squeeze. Shorters lost money and were forced to buy back the token, pushing the price even higher. The volatility is insane. Candles of plus 30% and 20% within a single day. Support: strong buyer interest at 0.35040. Resistance: psychological barrier around 0.70080. Rumors of a Binance listing are constant. It's already on Gate.io, MEX, Huobi. Any announcement from a Tier 1 exchange could instantly double the price, but until then, expect a roller coaster. The 2026 narrative, the agent economy, and the Solana factor. Why am I keeping Pippin in focus? We are on the verge of an internet paradigm shift. In 2024, we chatted with AI. In 2025, we built agents. In 2026, agents will start paying. The future is here. AI agents will pay for APIs, servers, or buy data from other agents themselves. They need money. An AI can't open a bank account, no passport, but it can create a crypto wallet in milliseconds. And this is where Solana comes in. Why not Ethereum? Speed and cost. An agent needs to perform thousands of micro operations per minute. Paying $5 gas fees in ETH is death for a bot's business model. Paying $0.09 in SOL is viable. Pippin is becoming the face of AI on the fastest chain. This is a strategic bet that Solana will become the financial layer for global artificial intelligence. The math, growth scenarios, bull versus bear. Let's remove emotions and do the math. Currently, Pippin is at 450 million market cap. Is that expensive or cheap? Let's compare with benchmarks. Pepe, pure meme, peaked at $7 or $8 billion. Render, AI utility, trades in the $3 to $5 billion range. Bitensor Teo, AI infrastructure, over $10 billion. Pippin sits at the intersection. It's both a meme, the image, and utility, the framework. Bear case: if the AI hype dies down, the token could correct to 150 millimeters cap, a 60-70% drop. This is a risk you must account for. Base case: cementing its status as the main AI mascot of Solana. Target: $1 billion cap, x2, x2.5 from here. Bull case: supercycle. If Binance lists Pippin and Yohei releases an update with full earning automation for agents, we could see a run to $3 to $5 billion. That's a potential X10. But remember, for this scenario, we need a perfect storm. External catalyst: the open AI factor. There is one hidden lever moving Pippin's price that few talk about. News from BabyAGI. Yohei Nakajima is deeply connected to the Silicon Valley dev scene. Pippin's chart often correlates with news from OpenAI and Anthropic. GPT-5 releases, market flies up. Google announces new agents, market flies up. Pippin works as leverage on AI news. If you believe neural networks will make another leap in 2026, Pippin is the easiest way to bet on that in crypto without buying Microsoft or Nvidia stock. The risks. What influencers won't tell you. I wouldn't be honest if I didn't mention the risks. Whale concentration. A significant portion of supply is in the hands of early buyers. One whale clicking sell can paint a red candle of 40%. Founder dependency. The entire hype rests on Yohei's reputation. If he loses interest, the tech remains, but the trust evaporates. Oversaturation. The AI meme sector is overheated. Clones launch every day. Pippin is the leader in code quality now, but in crypto, kings change fast. Technical barrier. Until one-click apps for everyday users appear, Pippin's utility remains a toy for geeks. Mass adoption requires simplified interfaces. Conclusion and verdict. So, what's the bottom line? Pippin is a unique hybrid. On one side, meme coin virality. On the other, powerful autonomous agent technology from a top Valley developer. It's a bet that in the future, your financial affairs will be managed by your personal digital unicorn. My verdict. If you're looking for a safe haven, walk away, buy Bitcoin. If you're looking for exposure to the hottest trend of 2026, AI plus crypto, Pippin must be on your watch list. Strategy. Don't ape in with your life savings on green candles. The market will give you an entry point on a correction. Follow the project's GitHub and Yohei's Twitter. These are better indicators than any technical analysis. Let me know in the comments, who wins the AI battle, the chaotic goat or the useful Pippin? And do you believe that in 2026, neural networks will start spending our money themselves? Don't forget to like for the deep dive and subscribe. See you in the order book.